Hi, hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel Runs by Day. I am Srijani and thank you so much for sticking around and clicking the video, which is the part 2 of my 6 months, like half of 2025 book haul. So, yeah, thank you so much for um, subscribing and not unsubscribing my channel. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video and let's see what we have got. We have some books which I received from an unhaul. So let's see what they are. So, firstly, we have Sentenced to Murder by Sue Minix. This is the book. I have heard a lot about the author and the fact that she writes really cozy murder mysteries. So, I've bought this book. I already have a book by the same author. I haven't read it yet, but yeah, that's a book. Then we have then we have Fool Me Twice by Nona Uppal. I love the author. I love her movie and book recommendations. I love her views on life. So I bought the book because I know it's not going to disappoint. So yeah, that is the book. Then we have X's and O's by Emilia. I have heard a lot of good things about the author. Though I do not have the first installment to the series, which is I think Set on You. I do not have that book yet, but I'll definitely buy it since I have the second one. So this is X's and O's by Emilia. This is also bought from the Unhaul. So yeah, that's this. Then we have another book that. Then we have actually two books, yeah, no, three books that we have received from HarperCollins. I'll show you guys. So next up we have Many Ramayanas Many Lessons by Anand Nilkantan sir. Oh my god, this book is so good. I mean, I cannot begin to tell you how good this book is. Though I have not read this book, but I have heard the audiobook version of it. It's magical. I think you should definitely try this one. I remember I met Anand sir in AKLF, and it was amazing listening to his listening to him speak. And he had also given me YouTube an interview, but I couldn't release it because the audio was not good. Apparently my mic failed me. So yeah, that's that. Okay, then we have Rumi, a new selection by Farooq Dhondi. This is a book. I believe it has Rumi's poems. I remember reading The Fortunes of Love. It was such an enchanting book, and we have seen how beautifully the author had introduced us with Rumi and his work. So I'm definitely very interested in reading this one. So this is that. Then we have a very chunky book, uh, which is um, which is I think this is the most chunkiest book that I have in my collection so far. So this is Great Eastern Hotel by Ruchir Joshi. I remember seeing him in the panel of AKLF. I met him in AKLF. Didn't have the chance to take photos though, but yeah, this is the size of the book. I think it's like half of my face. I don't know. So this is how it looks like. It also matches, I think, my t-shirt a little bit. So yeah, that is Great Eastern Hotel. It's I think 900 pages. So yeah, um, that's that. We also have this book called Why Not Me by Anubhav Agarwal. I haven't read the first book though, but yeah, I'll read it. I'll read it very soon. So yeah, that's that. Then we have few books that I had bought from Flipkart, and surprisingly, I have received them in Steel Deal, and I know you are going to be shocked when I show you the books because these are like really famous ones. Okay, so I have Homebody by Rupi Kaur, which is the worst book that I have read in my life. You can't get worse than this book, and I promise I will definitely make a YouTube video on this one. So I will also share a little like a poem of from this book so that you know what to expect though I don't know if I can say it out loud, but I still remember the poem by heart because, oh girl, this is crazy. So I bought it together. So this is the first book that I bought from Flipkart. I've heard so many good things about, actually not good things, but I've heard a lot about the author, and I've heard few good things about Milk and Honey. So I thought that maybe this book is going to be good, but then we have star of the show, The Spanish Love Deception, and I kid you not, all of these books that I'm going to show you. So I have another book that I'm going to show you. All of them are original and of good quality. I can show you proof. We have the sticker by Simon and Schuster. These are original, and I got it for steal deals. Okay, so that's Spanish Love Deception. Then we have a book that was on my shelf, like on my TBR for so long. Um, so this book is called The India Way by S. Shankar. I really love this man. I mean, his diplomatic skills, not skills. I mean, I don't know, like the statements he makes are crazy good. I am not aware much about geopolitics, but yeah, I really love this man, and I think I'll definitely read this one. And yeah, so guess how much I got these three books for, like in the India Way, Spanish Reception, and Homebody for. Pause the video and comment. I got all of these books for rupees 200, which basically costed me like roughly around rupees 66, which is a great steal deal. Like, so yeah, that's the sale from you from Flipkart. Then we have a very 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 good book with uh, me to show you all. So this is One Night Stand by Kantari Leela Hutta. It's a really great book. I mean, if you want to read something good, and if you are a thriller fan, pick this book up because this is so crazy. I mean, this book. I mean, I loved. My mind was effed, and I'm not complaining because this book is, I think, 500 pages approximately, and this will just alter the brain chemistry of yours. I kid you not, it's so good. I got it from Penguin Southeast Asia, so they sent me as a PR, and I love this book, and I have not stopped talking about this book ever since I have read this one, and I think you should definitely read this one. So yeah. Okay. So we have Dhoop Aane Do by Gulzar Sahab. I have heard a lot about Gulzar, and I'm really excited to read this. Though I am not really sure though that I will be able to enjoy the poems. So basically, it's actually translated. I'm not really sure that I will be able to enjoy this book, like the poems, as much as the Hindi ones. But still, I'm really excited to read this one and know about Gulzar Sahab's life. So yeah, this is that. Then for the final book, we have Dream Girl Drama by Tessa Bailey. I have also received this from HarperCollins, and this book is really good. I really enjoyed reading this book. It's really nice. It's also spicy. The chemistry, the tension was really good. So I think you should read it because it's really nice. It's really cute, and it'll make you jitty and nice. So yeah, that's it for the month of March, and let's see what we have for the month of April.